Hello and welcome again. This is a drink called How Make iced carbonated sweet cherry tea. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug, and then you put in the sweet cherry tea bag in there, and then pour in the water. You make sure it's cold, nice and cold, and then make sure you dip it in there if you have to. And then, last but not least, you pour in the club soda. And then you pour in a little bit of water. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated sweet cherry tea. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace, folks. Let's prosper.